Well, good afternoon. Get yourself a cup of coffee. Traps behind me. If you're following this series on trapping, I am not a professional trapper. So don't be following these videos thinking that I know it all. I'm far from knowing it all, especially when it comes to trapping. But if you watch this channel at all, it's always about skills, 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 always learning more skills, tucking skills away under your belt, just doing anything and everything that you can to build skills. But what we are doing here is learning a brand new skill to add to my outdoor life and my outdoor everything when it comes to the great state of Maine. So what we've done here today is I've watched and I've taken video so you guys can see. I've taken these traps behind me. I have boiled them in hot soapy water using Dawn dish liquid. They were brand new Duke traps that had oil and stuff like that on them. So I've cleaned off all of the oil and I've hung them up to dry. And now I am getting ready to dip them in straight vinegar, and that will make them rust. And then tomorrow we're going to dip them in logwood dye, and then we will be waxing them and they will be ready for this fall's trapping season. So thanks a lot for coming along for all of this. It has been a great day here to spend outdoors playing with these traps today. The temperatures are finally turning, getting cooler, so just plain nice, nice, nice. These are brand new traps. So the first thing I gotta do is get all the oil off them, get them nice and clean. So I've been boiling them in hot soapy water with some Dawn. They use it on all the ducks after Valdez oil spill. So it must work on traps. So what I'm doing here is, these have been in here for about, oh, I don't know, 10 minutes. They're nice and clean, chains and everything. So I'm going to double rinse them. They got another pot of water going over here. I figure that's nice and clean. Nice and hot. Then I got a rack. So get yourself one last cup of coffee with me. Enjoy. Tomorrow I'm going to have a campfire here. The 4 grandsons are coming over. We're going to build a campfire. We're going to finish what has to be done to these traps. Then we're going to enjoy that campfire. We've got some hot dogs to cook, some s'mores. And just basically make sure them boys have a good time and enjoy the great outdoors. I want them to really pick this up and learn how to do it. We're going to be meat trappers, not fur trappers. Everything I do in the outdoors has something to do with gathering meat. So this is just one more step, one more tool. And I think I'm going to name this video, Why Not Try? Why not give it a try? So that's what we decided to do a couple of years ago, is why not give it a try? So, thank you, and I will see you next week.